Welcome everybody to our Green Acres. So glad you're here, and if you are new, my name is Teresa. Today I'm going to bring y'all along as I bake a really super easy banana quick bread. This bread doesn't contain any flour, butter, or oil. It's an easy recipe where all the ingredients can be mixed in a blender, and it's going to taste as comforting and as traditional as regular banana bread. So y'all sit back, and I hope y'all enjoy the video. If you're not already following me on my home decor Facebook page, I'd love for you to go over and join it at Our Green Acres Home Decor and DIY Inspirations. Also, go over and follow me on Instagram. The inspiration for this recipe comes from Kirby's Cravings by Kirby, and I'm going to leave a link to the recipe down in my description box. Okay y'all, let's make some quick banana bread. First ingredient you're going to need is going to be 2 ripe bananas. You're going to need 1/4 cup of peanut butter or almond butter, 2 eggs, 3/4 cup of oats, and the oats is going to be the substitute for the flour. And then you can do 1/4 cup of honey or brown sugar. I did honey. You need 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and then we're going to mix all of this in order in the blender. And at the end, we are going to add some chocolate chips. You want to preheat your oven to 350, and in the blender, you're going to want to blend it all up, and then we're going to pour it into a parchment lined baking pan, and then we're going to add the chocolate chips at the end, and you want to do 1/3 cup. Now you can add more chips here, or you can omit these. You could also probably put some nuts in it if you wanted. Put it in the oven, and we're going to bake it for 50 minutes or until you can insert a toothpick in it and it comes out clean. I hope you're enjoying the video so far, and if you are, please hit that like button. It really helps out our channel, and we also, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube family, we'd love for you to. This recipe right here is so easy, and it's, not a lot of cleanup either, because you're basically just putting all the ingredients into a blender and blending it up really quick. So I've been making this recipe for a couple of years now, and I absolutely love it. When it fresh comes out of the oven and it's warm and those chocolate chips are all melted, it is so delicious. I've cooked it before and shared it with some of my friends and my family. My mother makes this, and they rave about it and always want the recipe. It's a little bit, more of a healthier version from regular, banana bread. And like I say, I just wanted to kind of share it with y'all, because around the holidays and after the holidays, we may want to get into some things, maybe, a little bit different than what we're used to, and, take away the flour, maybe a little bit more of the sugar. And like I say, this one just kind of substitutes some healthier ingredients. I hope y'all enjoyed the recipe today, and I hope y'all will make this delicious banana bread. You won't be disappointed, I promise. And as always, y'all, appreciate y'all for watching. And don't forget, I will leave the description and the ingredients to the recipe down in the description box. And I hope y'all have a great weekend, and I will see y'all in the next video. Love y'all.